Bonjour. Welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is greetings, which we call les salutations in French. Les salutations. Let's start. Bonjour. Bonjour. It's made up of two words. One is bon, other one is jour. Bon means good, jour means day. So this means hello or good day. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. This is again the same. Bon and soir. Bon is good, soir is evening. This is good evening. Correct? Bonjour is a word which you can say anytime during the day because there is nothing mentioned whether it's evening or morning or afternoon. So you can say it to greet people, right? This is specific to evening. Correct? Bon après midi. Bon après midi. Bon, good. Après is after. Midi is noon. Bon après. But we'll say it bon après because this is a vowel here and it will allied with the consonant. So we'll say it bon après midi, which means good afternoon. Bonne nuit. This is bonne nuit. It's not bonne nuit. Bonne is feminine because nuit is feminine. So adjective will be as per the noun. So it's always agree with the noun. So when this is feminine, it will be feminine. Bonne nuit. We call it bonne nuit, which means good night, right? Salut. Salut is also another way of greeting people, but this we are using when we are familiar with the people or with that person. Correct? Otherwise, it's good to use bonjour. Coucou. Coucou is very informal way of greeting people to say hi or hello. Basically, this we are using with kids, with our best friends, right? This is very informal way of saying hello or hi. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne means again good and journée means day. But here we are using jour. Here we are using journée. What's the difference? Jour is specific time of the day. Journée is the duration of the day, which means we are wishing the good day for the whole duration. Correct? And journée is feminine word, jour is masculine word, which means have a nice day. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Soirée is evening. The logic will be same like journée. The whole evening, right? Have a good evening. So we are wishing a good evening for the whole duration. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. Bienvenue means welcome. Correct? Félicitations. Félicitations. There's an accent. Félicitations, which means congratulations. Bonne chance. Bonne chance. Chance is a feminine word. That's why bonne. Bonne chance. Good luck. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Happy birthday. Joyeux anniversaire. Merci. Merci. Merci means thanks. Correct? Merci. Let's repeat. You can repeat after me. Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Salut. Coucou. Bonne journée. bonne journée. Bonne soirée. Bienvenue. Bien. Félicitations. Félicitations. Bonne chance. Bonne chance. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Merci. Merci. Okay, let's continue with few more. Merci beaucoup. Here, merci, only for thanks. And this is merci beaucoup. Beaucoup means a lot. Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot. De rien. De rien. You are welcome. You are welcome. Désolé. Note down the accents. Here is also accent. There is also one more accent. Désolé. Désolé means sorry. Pardon. Pardon. Sorry or pardon me. The spelling is same like pardon, but we call it pardon. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Which signifies excuse me. Oui. Oui. For yes. No. This is not no. This is no. 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 This is comment, not comment. Comment allez-vous? But this is vowel, so it will align with this consonant. We'll say it comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? How are you? Comment ça va? This is formal way of asking, and this is informal way of asking. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Meaning of both the sentences are same. Comment ça va? Enchanté. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. It's not in, it's en. Enchanté. A bientôt. A bientôt. See you soon. A bientôt. A demain. Demain is tomorrow. A demain. See you tomorrow. A plus tard. A plus tard. See you later. Plus tard means later. A plus tard. See you later. Au revoir. Au revoir. You must have heard this word from me only. Whenever I am making videos, at the end I used to use this word. Au revoir. Which means goodbye. Let's repeat. You can repeat after me. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. De rien. De rien. Désolé. Désolé. Pardon. Pardon. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Oui. Oui. Non. Non. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Enchanté. Enchanté. À bientôt. À bientôt. À demain. À demain. À plus tard. À plus tard. Au revoir. Au revoir. I hope salutations are clear now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.